guys, welcome back to my channel. I'm back with another watch me do nails video, and I did a freestyle on my client. This video is a part 2 from my last video of how to do a soak off. So if you haven't already watched that video, go ahead and click the link right now in the top right hand corner to see how I remove nails safely. So I'm not going to be talking that much in this video. I'll pop in and out to explain little steps I decided to do since this is a super quick video, and I'll be uploading some more how-to videos this weekend, so keep an eye out for those. So when it comes to shaping whatever shape that you're doing, you want to make sure that you are applying pressure to your client's hand. That way it'll be easier for you to control and grip the file, and it'll be easier for you to create sharper edges. So for me, when I'm filing, I'm going to keep my file parallel to myself and my client's nails, and then the longer the nail, I'll drop my file just a bit. That way I don't get curved edges, and you want to repeat this process on all the nails that you are filing. After that, I just always follow up with my e-file and then a fine cuticle bit to go around my client's cuticles to make sure there isn't any acrylic touching their skin to prevent lifting. Again, I apologize guys, I always end up losing clips, so we gonna work with what we got. So here all I'm doing is just using some foil gel and paper from, I believe, Daily Charm to complete this set, and I got the glitter from Glitter Art. I'll leave links down below to where I purchased my items that I use in this video. So I'll go ahead and let you guys finish watching this. Don't forget to like, comment, and subscribe, and make sure you turn on my post notifications. That way you don't miss out on any of my uploads. Bye guys, I'll see you on my next video.
Till I get up, time is barely on our side. I don't wanna waste what's left. The storms we chase are leading us, and love is all we'll ever trust. Yeah, no, I don't wanna waste what's left. And on we'll go, through the wastelands, through the highways, till my shadow turns to sun rays.